Get these out of here.
You got to build it up.
Come on, you ready?
You got to build it up.
Go to the left. Go to the left.
I want to do crowd work.
What the fuck is going on?
Build it up. You got to build it up. Let me know that's all I'm saying.
Talk your shit, TT. That nigga record. TT. I know that nigga just hit that like that. Baby. Baby.